guys, today's video will be a wig install and it is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. All the details about this wig will be down below if you're interested. But first, let's get into this goodie box. They sent me not one but 2 hair lashes, and the first thing you saw was like a headscarf. They also sent me these 2 wig caps and a bag for my wig. Also, the wig, of course, again, all the details on this wig will be down below. The inch, the texture, the lace type, everything. This wig was beautiful, and y'all see my hair looking really rough right now, but I had to do a quick length check just to see where we're at right now, okay? Because I've been wearing a lot of wigs lately, and my real hair has just been covered. I haven't been tending to my real hair, but these wigs are helping my hair grow. So I just braided my cornrows into one big braid, and I'm using my Got to Be glue in the black bottle to slick down my baby hairs, also to protect my real baby hairs, because I don't want this glue to snatch out my real baby hairs, because that's not what we want. So you want to use like a layer, like a gel or a snot, like a gorilla snot or edge control even, to just protect your hair. And I'm going to go in with an alcohol wipe and just clear my skin just to make sure it's free of all oil and dirt. I'm also taking this new beige color wig cap and just stretching it out because I have a really big head, and I'm putting it over my head. And I also make sure I cover the ears, because you want to take your scissors and cut those ear tabs out. What you do to one side, you do to the other. This allows your cap to lay down flat and it won't be lifting, and your sideburns won't be out, because you want all your hair to be covered and protected from this glue, okay? So now I'm going in and putting the glue around the perimeter of my hairline. You want to put this in front of your hairline, not on your hairline, because you don't want to put glue on your hair. And if you do get glue on your hair, it's okay. Just make sure you remove your wig with oil and not just rip it off, and you'll be fine. You'll still have your edges, but we're just going to be safe because we want to protect our hair, grow our hair, and maintain our edges. So yeah, I don't use the Got to Be spray anymore. This is way quicker. Just put that in the front of your hairline, spread it back a bit, and wait. And you see how it's clear? Yeah. After that, you can go ahead and start coloring your cap. Here I'm just trying to see what makeup matches my skin tone best, and I got this makeup from my local beauty supply store. I don't even know the brand. It may be Kiss, but I'm not certain. It is a cream foundation. Like I always say, I don't like powder foundation because it gives more flashback, and I don't like liquid foundation because it's too runny, it's too much product for me, it's too wet. Cream foundation is just the perfect blend of both. It's just perfect. I love it. You can also use lace tint if you would like, but I'm a fan of the cream foundation. And I just put this all over my cap because you want that bald cap effect, okay? You want to look bald. So now I'm cutting the excess cap off. I start off by my ears because I don't know why actually, but it's just easier for me. I cut off all that cap that I'm not gonna need, and you want to cut as close to the glue line as possible. But be careful, you don't want to snip your skin off, okay? You don't want to snip yourself, make yourself bleed. So just be careful and really pay attention to what you're doing. And go slow, okay? Go slow. Don't try to speed and rush. Go slow. It's okay. Take your time. Like, what's the rush? So guys, now I'm going to wipe down my forehead and free it from all oil, dirt, and makeup, anything that will make my lace not last, because you purchase these wigs, you want them to last, okay? Now I'm going to take my glue, Dayladadoll House Lace Glue, Superior Hold and Waterproof, and just put it around the perimeter and in front of my hairline. Do not put the glue on your hair, guys, okay? Now you're just going to let that layer dry clear, spread it out. Make sure it's nice and thin, and just keep spreading. You see me spreading. You want it to be a nice, clean, flat, even layer, thin, all the above, because you want it to dry all like around the same time. You want it to dry clear and together. You don't want one side thick and white and then the other side super clear and dry, and then you're waiting for the other side to dry. But your clear side has now dried out. So just make sure what you do to one side, you do to the other, make it even. And that layer was just to get my cap to stick down to my forehead and melt, because you don't want to see your cap through your wig. And I just placed my wig on just to see where I want to place my wig. And I'm going to cut the ear tabs off because Corona is still a thing. You still have to wear your mask, guys. You don't need your wig to be covering your ear. You need to cut those ear tabs out so your ears are free. If you wear headphones, AirPods, masks, your ears need to be free. You don't need to feel like you're wearing like a hat over your ears. So make sure you cut those ear tabs off. I don't like when the wig covers your ear. It's okay. Let the ear be free. So now I'm just pulling that wig back because I'm going to put my glue on, and this is the glue, the layers of glue that we're going to use to stick the wig to our head. I believe I did 2 layers. I usually do 3. It just depends on, you know, how long I'm gonna have a wig on or whatever. Sometimes I do 2, sometimes I do 3, sometimes I do 4. It just depends, okay? And I don't really remember how many I did, but let's just go with 2. And you see how I just spread it? I try to spread it evenly and just make thin layers so that the glue can dry with no problems. Take my wig and place it down. Make sure you place your wig like in front of the glue because it gives you room for error. You don't want to place it too far back and you cut the lace and now glue is showing and everything is sticking to the glue and the glue won't wipe off. It'll just be a hot mess. So it's best to just put your wig in front of the glue a little, because you can always put more glue down, but it's really hard when you mess up. So yeah, pro tip, put your lace in front of your glue and just take a rat tail comb and rake it through. That's melting the lace into that glue, baby. Okay. So just rake it through. And you also want to take your elastic band. I got my elastic band from Amazon. You can get it from like Walmart or any crafting store, and just tie it down. This allows the hair to melt. I keep this on for about 10-15 minutes and just let it melt and do its thing, okay? It also helps the glue to dry. Time to take that elastic band off. Y'all see the melt? Y'all see it? And it ain't even cut yet. The lace ain't even cut yet. Don't play, okay? But y'all see me cutting the lace now. Keep in mind that this is super sped up, okay? Never go this fast or you will cut yourself. You will cut a big old chunk out your forehead and, ooh, baby, you'll be messed up, okay? So keep in mind that that's sped up. And I'm just gonna style it just to see how I want to do things. And I'm really combing that hair back because I'm about to get started on my baby hairs. I need to section up my baby hairs and I don't need no other hairs in the way because I like a really clean baby hair look. With the baby hairs, I'm gonna more so let y'all look and learn than talk, because you just gotta look. And you want to part out thin sections of the hair, and once you part out that thin section, you want to pluck it even more. So pluck it thin, not too thin, because you don't want it spacey and gappy, but just pluck it a little. Like, certain areas won't need plucking and some will. You'll see throughout the video. And take your razor and cut it, and you want to take your like flat iron and curl it, but these weren't on and I didn't realize until the last minute. But I did plug them in, and I went ahead and went back and curled it. But yeah, it's just part out thin sections of hair, because baby hairs are not to be thick. They should be natural looking. So you see me plucking hair out, and it's all about just plucking and swooping. When you swoop, you want to swoop like a C. Like, I don't know. You just gotta do it. You just gotta do it, baby. You just gotta do it, okay? Going in with a holding spray and my got to be glue gel, just a tiny bit, and that's what I use to slick my edges down. So I spray the spray on my baby hair comb brush, spray it on the comb part and the brush part, and I slick it with the got to be glue gel, and I do that for all around my head with the baby hairs. Guys, this is pretty much the finished look, and I'm just trying to style it to see how I want to go, like how I want the front to be and how I want the curls to fall. But it came out super cute. Thank you so much, Yolissa Hair, for sending me this beautiful wig. Again, guys, if you want to know all the details about this wig, they will be down below. Make sure you shop. This lace was amazing. It blended so easy, and you guys should just really get this wig. It's a must-have. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill, you know the deal, and you know what to do. Thank you for watching. I love you.